Hi students, let's try to understand question number 34. So the question is, a welding fuel gas contains carbon and hydrogen only. So two elements are there, student. What? One is the carbon and another is hydrogen. Burning a small sample of it in oxygen give 3.36 gram carbon dioxide. So CO2 they are giving 3.38 gram and 0.690 gram water. H2O they are saying 0.690 gram water and no other product. A volume of 10 ml 10 liter measured at STP of this welding gas is found to weight 11.6. Calculate empirical formula, molar mass and molecular formula. So this is very simple question, student. What can you do? So mass of carbon, let us have a look over it. Mass of carbon in 3.38 gram CO2. So how can I calculate? So Wc mass of carbon is equal to atomic mass of carbon. This will be atomic mass of carbon upon molar mass of CO2, molar mass of CO2 multiply by what, student? 44. So atomic mass of carbon is 12, molar mass is 44. Sorry, here it will be multiply by total mass now. So how much? 3.38 gram. So multiply by 3.38 gram. If you solve it out, student, it is coming 0.921 gram. So percentage mass, if you are calculating mass of carbon, so how much will be there? Multiply by 192.1%. Now here you see mass of hydrogen. So mass of hydrogen 2H is there in water. So 2 by molar mass of H2O 18 multiply by 0.690. How much is coming, student? Here you see, if you solve, it is coming 0.0766 gram. So percentage hydrogen, how much will be there, student? 7.66%. Now if for empirical formula, now we reach to empirical formula. How to solve this one, student? Firstly see elements. What are the elements are there, student? Carbon and hydrogen. Percentage mass. What percentage carbon? 92.1 percentage. 7.66 percentage. Then gram mass. It is going to be, we have to calculate gram mass. How much is coming gram mass? Same 92.1 gram, 7.66 gram. Moles. So 92.1 atomic mass is 12, so it is coming 7.66. And here is 7.66 atomic mass of hydrogen 1, so 7.66 mole. Simple whole number ratio. Simple ratio you calculate. 7.66 upon 7.66 equal to 1. 7.66 upon 7.66, it is again going to be 1. So this is whole number ratio. So empirical formula, what will be there, student? Empirical formula, it will be what, student? CH. This is the empirical formula. Now for molecular formula, what we can do, student? For molecular formula, now students see, to calculate the molecular formulas, they have given some data that 10 liter at STP is 11.6 gram. 10 liter, this gas is equal to how much is there, student? 11.10 liter equal to 11.6 gram. So 1 liter is equal to 1 liter gas is equal to 11.6 upon 10 gram. So at STP, student, at STP, 1 mole gas is equal to 22.4 liter. So that is 22.4 liter gas is equal to how much? 11.6 upon 10 multiply by 22.4 equal to, it is coming 26 gram, right? So now n factor, n factor means molecular mass upon empirical mass. Molecular mass 26 gram per mole it will come, student. And empirical mass how much? CH is there, 26, carbon 12, hydrogen 1, 13 equal to coming 2. So molecular formula equal to n into empirical formula. So here n is 2, empirical formula is CH, so it is coming C2H2. So this is the molecular formula. Okay, and molecular mass we have calculated here 26 gram per mole. So this is all about the answer. Thank you.